Want to set up an automatic reply on WhatsApp Business? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create an auto-reply message in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. Next, tap Tools at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Away Message. To enable automatic replies, turn on the Send Away Message option. This feature automatically sends a reply to people who message you when you're unavailable. Next, tap Schedule and choose when you want the automatic reply to be sent. You can select Always Send or choose a custom schedule based on your availability. After that, tap Recipients and choose who should receive your automatic reply. You can send it to everyone or select specific contacts. Now, tap the message section and type the reply you want to send automatically. For example, "Hi, thanks for your message. I'm currently unavailable, but I'll get back to you as soon as possible." Once you're done, tap on OK, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.